king CEO, I'm known as Nagoose. I'm who they follow, I'm a chosen leader. I speak and say whatever, the people need a voice, and I do it better. I'm speaking for the ghetto, every slum around the world. I'm speaking for the starving kids, little boys and girls. America's in recession, Africa's in depression. They starving for some food, we need to pay attention while we living in the system. Think about your cousins, they living in the slums where money don't come often. I'm just saying, caution, start that revolution. Stand up for what you believe in, mute what they saying. Leaders always win, I'm doing what I want to. They said I was a failure, watch what I'm gon' do. Start a revolution like Martin Malcolm Nelson. It's in my bloodline, being a goose is what I'm saying.